What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be giving updates on Sui and the Sui ecosystem, as I do believe that it's going to be one of the biggest gainers and cryptocurrencies with the biggest upside come the 2025 bull run. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you're new around here, smash the like button down below and consider subscribing to the channel. So, the overall cryptocurrency market continues to perform pretty well. It's consolidating, kind of trading choppy sideways, but consolidation is good because it makes room for the next leg up. 98K BTC, $3,600 ETH. We're seeing good, but again, the thing that's really intriguing me is the fact that Sui is currently sitting at a $5.22 price with up 24.59% at a $15 billion valuation. And I think the upside is still so much bigger. We're going to talk about why I believe that Sui is going to do well, even though right now it just broke its all-time high of $5.20. But again, there's still so much room for upside, and make sure you're buckled in. Pay attention to these catalysts as to why I think this is going to be easily, within this bull run, probably a 7 to 10x opportunity. Now, first and foremost, Phantom. This is going to be a very big catalyst because Phantom has become one of the biggest user-friendly based wallets that continues to scale and continue to grow day in and day out. We closed off 2024 strong. We launched new social features, announced at Sui network support coming soon, again coming soon, and now a new domain. Huge shout out to Phantom. It's become one of, again, the most user-friendly based platforms for crypto traders, especially on the Solana blockchain. And now they're going to offer support for Sui. So that's going to be catalyst number one. Number two, if we look at just the technical analysis of the things and the big key drivers that are pushing this bullish momentum per you today, Sui currently, as they said, is $5.22, representing 18.72% increase in the last 24 hours. Investor confidence has also grown as trading volume soared to a staggering $2.44 billion, exchanging the hands of traders. Sui has undergone an incredible journey within the past 2 years to reach its current price level. Notably, the coin suffered bearish sentiments, plunging below 50 cents in October of 23, or now 2 years ago, funny enough. But overall, the total value locked and everything else has been skyrocketing in 2024, entering now into 2025. In less than 14 months, the ATL and Sui posted a growth rate of 1,328%. The recent bullish Sui run resulted from its ecosystem-controlled token unlocking. Notably, the first day of 2025, approximately 82 million Sui tokens represented 0.82% of the total supply that were released to those vested individuals and not. This measured release has helped prevent flooding the market and overwhelming investors with too much supply or dilution. Analysts believe Sui's strong demand, as seen with the soaring trading volume, has helped offset any negative impact on the coin. So, collaboration integration. Interestingly, the Layer 1 has been trying to improve utility, which even scored recognition from Cardano's Charles Hoskinson. And we know Charles is very vocal on social platforms, especially over on X or Twitter. And in recent notable moves, Sui collaborated with Ant Digital Technologies to accelerate the global adoption of real-world assets into Web3. The partnership makes tokenized assets available on Sui for the first time. What I'm going to recommend, and again, this is just general recommendation for anybody that is on the sideline for Sui, look at the different entities that they are working with and look at what they've been able to do in terms of scale. The total value locked right now broke its all-time high at $1.55 billion. 32.1 total active accounts, 7.4 billion total transactions. And of course, right now, the DeFi space within the Sui ecosystem is growing. I've talked about Lofi on this channel, Axel, Uni, a lot of things when it comes to MemeFi and the meme coin ecosystem. And we're seeing some pretty significant volume and numbers being driven over there. So again, guys, this is just a quick glance. Make sure you focus in and look at what is going to be happening very, very soon. Sui on May 1st of 2025 through May 2nd will be showcased in Dubai. There's Basecamp 2025, and that's Sui's flagship global conference, where the global community coverage converges to shape the future of Web3. So I am personally hoping to be in attendance for this specific event in the Basecamp itself to just kind of get to know and network with individuals that are a part of the Sui ecosystem and its blockchain. But again, things are going to be pretty spectacular. This is a pretty significant cryptocurrency within the space. It's faster, more efficient than any of its key players, or even notably any other cryptocurrencies within the top 10 that are direct competitors, including Cardano, including Solana, these other layer ones, Ethereum, of course, Bitcoin included. Sui outpaces all of those. And that's why it's been able to climb over a 10x since just the last 4 to 5 months. If you look at the 1 year chart for Sui, we saw a bottom in 2024 at 60 cents. It's up almost 10x from that specific moment. And we've also seen the volume increase by 10 times. So again, I am no financial advisor by any means, shape, or form. But when I see key performance metrics being hit by multiple layer ones, but especially one that's outperforming the others, you got to make sure those things are notable. I personally hold Sui in my portfolio, and I continue to scale in. And I have probably a $3 cost average for my Sui, and I hope to continue to build my position out regardless of price throughout this bull run. I appreciate your support. That's all I had. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.